I am Donald Etra. I'm a criminal defense attorney. I have represented individuals and corporations accused of crime for more than 3 decades. I recognize that when someone's accused of a crime, it's a very, very stressful and traumatic event in their life. My goal is either dismissal or acquittal. I have a rather large white-collar practice, so I represent individuals and corporations accused of anything from tax fraud to real estate fraud to wire and mail fraud. I also have a large juvenile practice representing students both in high school and college. To give you a few examples, fake identification cards, driving under the influence, drugs on campus, weapons on campus, kids involved with other kids either in a date rape situation or a sexual molestation charge. I have specific goals when I'm representing juveniles. For the high school student, I want to make sure that any juvenile offense does not haunt him when he's applying to college, to make sure that the juvenile's record is completely clean when that individual applies to college. And by the same token, if someone is accused of a crime in college, to make sure that crime is cleaned up and the matter dealt with when that individual applies for a job, the criminal record does not pose an impediment to getting that job. Yes, it's true I've represented many celebrities, some of international fame. I've gotten terrific results for them, so they've been able to maintain their work in the entertainment field. People ask, do celebrities get better justice, certainly in the Los Angeles area? Well, the theme of my law firm is that I treat everybody like a celebrity. I think what distinguishes me from many law firms is that when you retain me, you get me. You don't get some second-year associate or third-year associate. You get an attorney with 40 years of experience. I did spend some time on the other side. I was a federal prosecutor for 4 years. So I know how the DAs, I know how the assistant U.S. attorneys think. And sometimes in criminal defense, it's very important to know how the other side thinks, how to ask for a resolution that your client can live with. I've been fortunate to have been rated highest rating by Martindale-Hubbell, the so-called AV rating, and for the past several years have been deemed a super lawyer by California Magazine. Recently, I've been bestowed the honor of being deemed Criminal Defense Attorney of the Year by a local bar association. My goal is to do the best for every single one of my clients. To that end, I will do everything legally in my power to represent the individual. I am available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 364 days a year. If you do get arrested on Yom Kippur, please pray till sunset and then give me a call. What characterizes my practice is I'm totally prepared for every court appearance. I make sure that the DA knows the strength of my client's case, and I make sure if we have to go to trial, we're going to go to trial and we're going to win.